Hello YouTubers, bought myself this Vizio 50-inch smart TV to replace my old 42-inch TV, and it was actually standing on this old TV stand. But as you can see, I was turning my head a little different stand, so I was able to turn it left and right occasionally, depends if I was sitting on the couch or chair. This TV has this different kind of stand, so every time, even if I'm gonna turn it even once, I'm gonna scratch my surface over here. So the option was to do the wall mount, which I wasn't crazy about drilling any holes on my wall, so I decided to go with a stand, and I found one on Amazon for $33. It called Swivel stand, so we'll see how it's gonna go. It says that it's good for TVs up to 55 inch, so mine is 50, should work. So let's see how it's gonna go. Okay, so that's just the box. The stand, that's what it's supposed to look like. Stand, and it can be turned left or right 25 degrees each way, so 25 degrees should be enough for me. So let's see. Instruction. Okay, so Allen wrench comes in set, so we'll see if I'm gonna need any other tools. Doesn't really say. Oh, this side is up. Cool. I don't have to take the sticker out. Okay, you pretty much line up the holes over here. Stand. That's going to be for the bottom. The cool thing about this, if you follow the instructions, each section is actually C-safe locks G times 2, so you pretty much know, like bolts A, cool, bolts B and C, and that's what I need over here, bolts B and C over here. So that's super smart. Okay, D is not lock washers, it's actual washers, because this is look like a gloss, and you have to go with the plastic washer first, then the steel washer. It goes like that. So not to mix it up, goes plastic to this, look like a some kind of gloss material. Take Allen wrench. 4 legs in each corner, just like that. And now we can stand it, so it's, that part was easy. Yeah, this stand has three positions, because you can mount this bracket on a very low, middle, or high. I'm gonna go with the high, and you pretty much can go either way. It doesn't matter which way you're gonna go. So to do this, I need a E-bolts. Okay. E-bolts and no washers. You don't want to tight over here, because this is a tube, so it will just keep on going. So you have to feel it where it start collapsing, and not to mess up this tube. Okay, so we have this part over here. Next one, we mount this bracket to the front, and it goes with the A-bolts. That's this 4 small ones. Oh, we'll see how it's gonna go. Okay, we have this part. It comes with little clips for the wire. So you clip one in here. See, it's super easy. Each plastic bag compartment, I don't know if you're able to see it right here. For example, the top one has plastic cover, 0.3 foot, blah blah blah, and so on and so on. And now when I get to the step 2, same thing. Description printed, what's in there. Second one, I found it. Clip on there, and what is for, you actually run your wire through there, and it's actually hidden nicely behind this stand, and it's not showing anywhere. Okay, so after that, we'll go to the next step, and next step, we need to pull out the TV, and variety of these different bolts over here. It depends what kind of mounting is going to be on my TV, because I'm going to have to mount this 2 hook plates to my TV, and then this and then my TV, when I'm going to attach it, it's actually going to go just like that. with some kind of screws already. We'll see if they are will be good. Plain washers. Well, and you can go with the bolts provided from the bag. In my case, the TV has that mounting bolt, so I'm planning to use that. Has the spacers. You gotta use. Oop. Now the key thing is to make sure you use the exactly same holes, so it wouldn't be crooked. And the cool thing about this, it has different varieties for the different kind of TVs with the two-step surface. In my case, this is like ideal. It's just flat, no brainer. I mean, just do it like that. But you can have it for the curved TV. Just use different amount of spacers, or like in my case, this is flat TV, round, and then with a TV with a bump. So I have mine secured now. Next step is really easy. You just hook the TV here on the bracket, and now it's rest. And after I install this thing, I can see that I could probably go to the lower setting, because my TV is pretty high in the air. So in my case, TV is too high. I want to go on the lowest setting. I guess the smart way to do it, open your TV, see where your hole mounts are. That way you actually would know what's the best setting for you, so you don't have to do it twice. But it's not really that big of a deal. Tighten them back up again. Remember not to get too excited and not to over tight this thing. Okay, try it again. like that. I guess everybody have their own preferences, but that's how I like it, pretty as close to the surfaces as possible, so it wouldn't, I mean, show less wiring and whatever. So, and the last touch, I have to install this stoppers so the TV wouldn't pop accidentally. Safety. So last touch, you install this little safety clip, one on each side, and tie it with screw. Until it wedge in this bracket. You don't have to go too crazy. That's it. And one on the other side. So now TV, nobody, if let's say you accidentally try to lift it up, this thing will hold it. And now TV is 100% secured. Now the TV installed, the TV plug is on this side on the bottom. Plug in, and because it's so low I don't really have to use it, but you know, since it's already here, lock the cable inside this thing. So now it's not showing over here, not even a little bit. Everything is secured, and you just drop behind it, and that's it. Okay, so this is exactly straight, 90 degrees. Let's see how it's working turning. It's already hitting my wall, so this is already the bigger angle that I needed in my case. It's pretty much is going to be the other way. So I like my TV closer against the wall, but I guess I have an option even to bring it farther out. It's actually was pretty much it. So right now I have the bracket set a few inches from the wall, and that's how it goes. Yeah, again, even farther than that. Even farther than that. See? So I don't know if you're looking for something like that. I'm happy with this bracket. Super solid. It was hard to move when it was just on the stand without the TV, but with the bracket and the big TV, you have leverage. So really easy to turn left or right, and solid but not loose. So pretty happy with this bracket, and well, if you like the video, don't forget to shoot a few likes, and don't forget to subscribe.